Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kipulit jong kanong ba silong, kidang penlong kajing Tohkit ban pensisya, la uday na ubom ubala pentai, haken ro, hajan ka Delhi mistan, ubadon haken Khyndailad, mar persya ika muda, namar hadu benda tho ya kane kubor, kibom squad kidang pej benya, ya kane kajaka. Jingbthei ka kanro ka badai ka jakayat ki ba, kadai ha kapor, driw sitang janmet menta ka sngi ublay. Henry omdon ba mensaw, namar ki kali ki duna, bar ki brew ki bayat ki duna, namar kadai ka sngi ka babaro ki dukan ki khanglon. Habaya kran, bat u Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hill District, uba S nong tenger, ulapan pau bahaduk menta umpat la ban pentikena, ya kane ka Jingbthei, namar kidang penlong ya ka jing Tohkit.
Yeah, I'll give you later. Not now.
Is it an IED blast? Just confirm.
No, right now we can't say what is it. Still under investigation. So bomb squad still on the job, then CSU still on the job. So we can't say what is. But some kind of blast is there.
But what was the intensity of the blast?
That we don't. The bomb squad still analyzing the.
Anyone injured, sir?
No people are around.
Any vehicles damaged?
Damaged or anything?
No vehicle, no people around, no vehicles. I mean, not much damage.
We had that few window panes of the vehicle broken.
The damage has been...
As I tell you, our team is still on the job. So right now I can't give you any detail. Okay, we're still on the job. Okay. So when we get detail, we'll give you.